Hi guys, so today we're going to look at how to set up a Gmail account on Outlook. So the first thing we got to do is open up our Outlook, sorry. So let's open up Outlook. And the first thing Outlook's going to ask you to do if there are no accounts in it is to add an account. So as you can see, it's search my computer to see if there's any accounts I'm using in other applications, and I am. So I'm just going to put in my Gmail account. Next we got to connect. Then we need to go in and put in the password. Okay, connect. And the first thing Gmail will try to do is look for the settings, and as you can see, it's found the settings, so there's no need for any manual setup. So if there's any other accounts we want to add, we can add at this point. What I'm just going to do is click on done because it's already added my account. So done. Okay, and there you go. It will start to pull your account. Now, there is another way you can set up the Gmail account. So if, for example, we had a problem like it didn't pull down our mail settings or something, what we can do is we can add an account. We can then click on advanced options and we can click let me set up my account manually. Just make sure you specify the correct account. Okay, it's picking up that this account is already added. Give me a second just to remove it. Okay, so now I'm going to add a new account and we're going to set it up manually. Okay. Okay, it will then give us the account type. So what I'm going to use for this, as it's a Gmail account, is I'm going to use IMAP. Okay, we then need to put in the password, connect. Okay, and there you have it. We've added that account now manually. Okay, close. Alright, and then your mail will begin to download. Guys, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video.